Hello everyone, welcome to MrsChef Electric Appliance. We are located in China, in Yiwu City. We have a lot of products. We have steam irons, we have a food process blender, we have a lot of products. But today I'm gonna show you one of the products, the hand blender. It's really easy to use, and also it has a 4 blade, and in this box it has really nice quality. It has 4 different language, and I'm gonna show you how does it work. Let me unplug it and let me show you. It is on top. It is, you can adjust the speed, and it has like 2 speeds. I can show you the first speed, and then also you can rotate, can be increase the speed, and the second one also it's similar. It's also similar. So let me show you. Let me show you, and let's make a juice. Let's make a juice here. It's really easy to use the hand blenders. Let me make a juice for banana here. It's really a nice quality. It's really nice quality. Okay, let me make it. There is here we have a milk. Yeah, I'm gonna show you how does it work. Yeah, it has a milk. So I'm gonna show you how does it work here. So we just put it here. So we can start from the first one. Just press it. Just press it. Just when you press it, it should be a very easy one. It's easy one. And you can even adjust here. Here you can even adjust. Very easy. And that is all. You can even take it out, this one. You can take it out. It's very easy. This product is very easy. So let's test. Let's test. It's nice. It's nice. So it's really easy to use. Thank you for watching.